Interstate, go ahead.
We're eastbound from the 175 to White Audi. 28 Kentucky, Sam 6045. Sam 6045. Still eastbound. Show me 1037.
13-3-10-4. Blue Rock unit, 13-13-83. 40 eastbound 175.
Past the 176. Go ahead and notify Trip D.
13-3-10-4, 206.
I'm at the 183. 7's correct.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
What's your speed?
75 right now. We're stuck in traffic.
CFS comments added.
Speed 100. In and out of traffic.
Speed 100.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 177. Speed 96.
Passing 177.
CFS comments added.
Trying to get the bike out here at the 183.
Tempo. Speed 115.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 178. Speed 120.
CFS comments added.
Passing 78, speed 120.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder. Speed 106.
Passing on.
I've got spikes at the 183. I'm right here at the exit.
CFS comments added.
Tempo. I'll let you know when we get close. Speed 116. Passing the 179.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 180. Speed 90.
CFS
Passing
comments
180,
added.
speed 90.
Passing the 181. Speed 105.
Passing 181, speed 105.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
50. We're in the fast lane. I'm going to give you some room.
CFS comments added.
I've got the spikes right here on that exit, so I can just pull them straight to me.
Alright, well, he's coming up on that semi, so I don't think you're going to be able to.
CFS comments added.
No, you're not going to be able to. He's coming right at you on the right shoulder.
CFS comments added.
Yeah, back off of him, back off of him.
Spikes. 183. Still eastbound.
CMS comments added. CMS comments
Speed
added.
115.
Space 115.
Looks like it's passenger side front tires on the low.
CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder, speeds out in front.
Passing on the right shoulder, speed 74.
Passing the 184.
Passing 184.
CFS comments added. Approval has been requested. CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
I'm coming on 100.
Passing the 185, speeds 100. Losing a tire.
Passing 185, speed 100.
CFS comments added.
Looks like he's going to stop.
Yeah, well, I did. Go ahead, TVI.
Comments added.
Felony takedown.
Felony takedown.
Hands! 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 You better stop! Hey, I don't know if that's him. Got one running on foot across the field. Hispanic male, black hair, black black pants, black shirt. $55, where you at? Hey, coming from Texas.